For the remaining part of the soaps, I'll add in a bit of my fresh lavender flowers, which is my all-time favorite. Finally, the texture is ready to go into the mold. So get everything ready, and then now the biggest parts go in first. In the second part, I'll put in my charcoal content. So this is where the benefit coming from for the anti-acne benefits. Put in the last bowl is to create the design later and the texture as well. Finally, we come to the fun part. If you can use any stick that you have in the kitchen. Here we use just a satay sticks. So just create the design that you like. In this case, I'm teaching you is the feather design. Once it's in the mold, you will have to keep it covered for 24 hours and unmold it and leave it in the air